So I will just go ahead and copy this text, okay, and I will go to ChatGPT. All right, and here I will use that prompt that I need a checkout wireframe. All right, and I will paste the user story. Okay, so design a credit card checkout form. So yeah, let's run it and see what ChatGPT is coming up with. So yep, so on the top we have logo, top left, secure checkout. All right, then we have lock icon indicated like it's encrypted. All right, full name, email address, and billing address, city, which we forgot. We also did zip code, country. So these are payment 2 options. So this is basically we will have to add our billing detail as well. Then we have check step 2 where we have the payment information. Then we have order summary, and then we have action button. Can you give me low fidelity design for it for all the process? All right, so let's see what they are coming up with. Processing, images loading, lots of people are creating images right now, so this might be taking a bit. We will notify you when the image is ready. So let's wait for it and let's see what they are coming up with. But in meantime, we will go to Dribbble and try and find some inspiration. Okay, so check out page. All right, let's see. Okay, let's open it up and see. Okay, wow, amazing. So we have checkout, delivery, pick, enter name, email address, phone number, country, just like the A explain. All right, we are entering the details. Perfect. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, that's cool. Let's see. But I will take the inspiration from here, so let me just copy this, go back to Figma, and I will start creating the mood board as well. Okay, so this is the first one. Go back to Chrome and try to do some more. Okay, and we have this one as well. Let's see. We have customer detail, then we have e-transfer and online. So this is how they have the bank detail. I will also copy this. All right, and go back to Figma and import it. Okay, now go back to Chrome and see if we have some more options. Let's see what we have over here. Card details. All right, then we have some other banks which we can try, but I like that. I will just copy the inspiration from here as well. So copy image, go back to Figma and paste it. Wonderful. All right, let's see if we can find some other one as well. Wow, this one is also good. We have email, credit card, expiry date, and then security. Then I have a promo code. Wow, we usually have some promo codes running, so I think this is also a good move. Once it's selected, we have a promo code, so I think it's a good one. Even this one, this is also created with the daily UI challenge 2, and let's see how this is the output what he has, and now he is doing amazing. Wonderful, perfect. So how does he started, and now how is the output? So I think it's amazing. It's amazing to upload your output on different social media. Okay, so perfect. Let me just go. Okay, wonderful. So I also created us an image where we have of course the details and all those stuff. So we will just take this, copy this image, okay, go back to Figma and paste it. So instead of the low fidelity design that we have created, we can also take inspiration. So first thing first, we have the billing detail, all right, then we have payment information, then we have order summary, okay, and then of course the pay button. Okay, so I think this is very good, and we need to produce the output. Okay, so we have the inspiration, this is the first one, this is what we like about it. So we have the information, we also have the summary over here, we also have the discount code, so we can simply put the detail, and also we have this secure checkout and SSL encrypted. So these are very secure, we really want security over here, so it is a good approach that we have this secure checkout SSL encrypted message over here. Okay, so I think this is perfect. And you know what's most important, that we have this onboarding, this pagination, this steps over here. Okay, so yeah, perfect. Then we have this one over here, it is also simple, we have total amount over here, and we have the details, and we can also select the bank here. Then we have another one where we have the payment detail, credit card options, and we can also pay with PayPal, Evo, OVO, or whatever. Then we have GoPay as well. Then we have other detail on the right. Of course, we can apply the promo code and the summary. This is also very simple, and this is also the simplest one. I really like this one. This is simple and to the point and clear.